Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I am so glad you're here. I know it's very different. This is not our norm at all. But you know what? The one way that I'm looking at it is just being hopeful. I know every day that we get by, we do our part. It's gonna get us closer to getting back to normal, at least a little normal. But in the meantime, we're just trying to stay safe and doing our part. We haven't gone out of the house for 2 weeks, and I'm debating if I'm going to go out on March 29. You did see that there was a video that I did share, but that was because my husband was in the area. He went out, and I had everything put together so that way he spent less time in the store. And we have so many ECBs expiring, so that's something that is kind of like pushing us to go out. And the same thing is happening for March 29. I have also ECBs that are about to expire, and also we want to stock up on water. So there's some stuff that we do need to purchase. So that's why I was trying to look through the ad and see if there's many great deals happening. And as I looked through the ad, I created this video, also created the slideshow, and also created the printable list just to make it easier for you guys. It all depends, because what I like about CVS that you're also able to purchase some items in store, but you're also able to purchase some items online. And hopefully this video will help you decide if you should do a haul, at least online too. So you're gonna be seeing that I'm showing you the CVS ad, and because I couldn't do like I normally do in my videos, if you have seen my videos previously, I like to include where I found the deal in the ad. But in this case, because the ad was so unclear, I'm showing you the ad since as I was preparing this video, it was available at cvs.com. So let's go ahead and get started. Like I mentioned, the printable list is going to be provided below. So let's go ahead and see what those best deals are. So this one is Dove. It does include Suave, St. Ives, Love, Beauty, and Planet, but this is all for body wash or polish. This is buy one, get one 50% off, spend 12, get 4. And it's a limit of 1. I really like their body wash and I like their polish. And usually that's the retail price for $8.99. So the other one, the second one you buy is going to be half off. So right there, your total is $13.49. Yeah, there's a coupon that expires this Sunday. So if you're able to use that coupon, it's in the retail me now $3.15. I used 2 of those, deducting $1.25. I think they'll be getting some this Sunday as well, but I'm not sure since I think the price was different. But this one does expire on Sunday. If you have a CRT for body wash, go ahead and use that CRT so that way you pay less. You will end up paying $8.99, but you're gonna get back 4, making it $2.49 each. As you know, I like to share my hauls, my best deals video, also providing you the total without CRT. So this is a best deals with CRTs, but also without CRT. So if you don't have the CRT 2 of 6, then your final price will be $3.49 each. This one I purchased on this week, but this one's going to continue being on special. As you see, Dove is the one I just showed you, but St. Ives is also included. And the price is $5.49. Just go ahead and see what's the price in your store. Half off will be $2.75. Your new total will be $13.72. Since you do need to buy 2 of the for $5.49 and 1 off, because you want to reach $12. So then you're going to use 2 coupons, deducting $1.50 as you see in the picture. This one also expires on Sunday. There was this coupon that it says CVS app. So go ahead and check your CVS app and clip it, send it to card. Deducting $1.50. That's one of those coupons. And then the CRT deducting 3 of 12 if you have the CRT. Here's the other coupon that it says CVS app, but it's actually a manufacturer coupon, so that way you have 3 in total. Since this one from the insert is the limit of 2, pay $6.22, get back 4, making it just 74 cents each. But now let's see, if you don't have that CRT, then the total will be $1.74 each, which is still such a great deal. As you see, the regular price we're starting at is $5.49. So now let's move on to this huge money maker. I don't know if I've seen a money maker for Covergirl this high. So you could go ahead and buy the cheapest product. That's a broad pencil for $5.99. So buy 2 of those. Use 2 coupons, deducting $3. You're gonna see that on this paper, the one that just passed right now. There was coupons there for Covergirl, and use a CRT. I got the CRT for Covergirl, deducting 3 of 10. and it says we're going to be getting a mystery offer. So let's say the mystery offer is $3. I'm not sure. You know how it does vary. Sometimes it could be 3, sometimes it's 4. So if it is 3, go ahead and use that mystery offer, and then you're not going to pay anything out of pocket, just tax. Then you're going to get back 6 ECB for buying 2, making it a huge money maker of $6.02 money maker. It depends on the price of that mystery CRT and if you have this one. So it's just a way of stacking all those great coupons you may have. But let's say, guys, if you don't have this CRT, then this will still be free, and $3.02 money maker is still a huge money maker. If you want to go ahead and purchase, I don't know if you have seen videos that has to do with tutorial and beauties and reviews. A lot of people rave about this concealer. I have not tried it yet. If you want to go ahead and try a product and just get it for free, then go ahead and buy one of the Covergirl brow pencil for $5.99 and that concealer for $10.99. So right there, your new total is $16.98. Use those 2 coupons, one for face and one for eyes, that CRT and that mystery coupon that we're all getting. Pay $4.98 but get back 6, making it $1.02 money maker. If you don't have this CRT, then your new total will be 66 cents each, which is still such a great deal. Just to try out a new product that, as you see, costs $10.99. So guys, we have a freebie here, and as you see, the deal is buy 2 get 6, and we're going to be getting a coupon deducting 3, and once you buy 3 you get 3. So instead of buying 3, let's buy 4 for $3 each. So once you buy 4, it will be $12. Use those coupons that are coming in the book for Retail Me Not. Is on this insert coming this Sunday, deducting 3 off 2, and I believe it's a limit of 2 in the same transaction. Or in the same shopping trip. So go ahead and use 2 of those. And if you have the CRT deducting 3 off 12 for shampoo and conditioner, go ahead and stack it with those coupons, so that way you pay $3 out of pocket. Get back 3, making this deal free. So that means you're going to be getting 4 shampoos free. Such a great deal. But let's say you don't have this CRT, then after just using the coupons, your new total will be 75 cents each. So now another great money maker is this L'Oreal Cosmetics buy 2 get 5. And this is a deal that we keep seeing, the single eyeshadow. This one is $6.49 in my store. And this is a limit of 3, so you can do this deal up to 3 times. So now your new total is $12.98. I don't know if you've been getting some of these CRT. I got one that's saying 3 off L'Oreal Paris Eye Cosmetic, and then I got this one 3 off 12. So I'm going to go ahead and use those, and then I'm going to stack it with that CRT that is printing this week. So hopefully you was able to clip it, send it to your card, or I don't know if you was able to scan your card and print it. Go ahead and stack it with that CRT that's printing this week. Pay $2.98, get back 5, making it free, and $2.02 money maker. If you don't have this CRT or the other one, then it will just be $1.99 each. But remember, all these cosmetic deals that I'm sharing with you guys, they're stacking up, and once you reach $30 for that beauty club, then you will get back $3 free beauty ECB. So now let's go ahead with the spring event cash card. There's not that many cash cards shown in the ad, but I go ahead and I kind of share 3 different deal ideas. So let's do the chic, which is rare to see part of the cash card deal. You see it here, chic racers. So buy 2 for $11.29 the chic racers, buy 2 for $8 always. That way you reach $30.58. Use 2 coupons that came in the Smart Stores 315, deducting $4 each. If you have a CRT for any shave products, 5 off 20, and then in the PNG there should be an always coupon deducting 3 off 2, and it's letting us know we're going to be getting some in the newspaper in the insert. Pay $14.58, get back 10 cash card, making it $4.58 or $1.50 each. If you don't have the CRT 5 off 20, then it will be $2.40 each. And here's the coupon for chic. Now here's another deal idea doing the chic deal. Buy 2 of those for $11.29. Buy the L'Oreal cleanser for $4.99. and buy the Tide Pods for $4.94. That will be $32.51. So the coupons you're going to be using is the one I mentioned for Chic, that CRT also for Shave, the PNG for Tide, the $4 CRT for L'Oreal that's printing this week. So that way you pay $13.51, you're going to get back 4. Actually, you're going to get back 10 cash card, making it 88 cents each. And here is that CRT that is printing this week. If you don't have that CRT 5 of 20, then it will be $2.13 each. And the last deal idea for the cash card or the spring cash card event is for Pampers. Buy 2 for $20. Buy the cleanser and buy the Tide Pods. That will be $29.93. And the coupons you're going to be using is from the PNG for Pampers. Let's just see. Sometimes we see these PNG coupons in the app, so this might be digital. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. We will just know on Sunday. But let's say it's not in the PNG, because if it's not in the CVS app, then go ahead and get that from the PNG, deducting 3 of 2 for Pampers. If you have a CRT for baby, go ahead and use that, deducting 3 of 12. That CRT that's printing this week for L'Oreal, and a PNG for Tide. Pay $17.93, get back 10 cash card, and everything will be $1.98, which is crazy because that's including 2 pack of Pampers, Tide Pods, and a L'Oreal cleanser. So now let's go ahead and see another great deal that I think is the best deal, especially with this CRT, if you're able to get one of these and stack it. So it's buy one, get one 50% off with selected Boost product. And once you buy 4, you're going to get back 8 ECB. And that's a limit of 1. So, the prices do vary. Sometimes I see it at $8.79. I'm excited. I hope I'm able to do this deal. And I would like to try this flavor, peaches and cream. So let's say it's $8.79. So buy 2 at $8.79 and then buy 2 for $4.40. That means 50% off. The price will be $26.38. There's a coupon in the Retail Me Not from March 1st, deducting 4 of 2. So use 2 of those coupons and then use that CRT if you have it. Pay $14.38, get back 8, making it $1.60 each, which is still so crazy to see that from almost $9, getting this $1.60 is such a great deal. If you don't have that CRT you see here, it's still a great deal. It will be $2.60 each. So this is everything. I was looking at the database for all the printable coupons. There's not that many coupons, but if there is anything interesting, I will provide it below. In the meantime, I just wanted to share with you guys the best deals that are coming for CVS starting this last day for March, which is March 29. So thank you guys for watching this video.